Hey, what's up, guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. Let's check out the updates on this unit. This is the 300 Pro. This has got 300 foot of half-inch chemical hose on here, the top of the line chemical hose. Okay, got your J-rod going on here. We got a 0 degree. Got the I believe it's a 25, a 40, and a 65 degree. 7 gallon a minute pump. Nice fasteners. Got a full stainless steel Titan reel. Okay, ball valve chemical wand. Everything is either brass or it's going to be stainless steel. Okay, got a three-way ball valve here, so you want to flush your system. This is the chemical draw right here, and you flip it over here, and this is the water. This cleans the system out. Okay, or you can use it to draw both chemicals to have a longer run time. It's up to you. Got a full-size marine battery box, which most companies don't do. Okay, we don't require any accumulator because these pumps don't run hot. Okay, 7 gallon a minute. All right, they run good. Okay, it's finely tuned. If you see my videos, this machine is finely tuned just like my machine. Okay, so you're getting years of experience in this kit. There's no guessing. Once you get it, you're making money and you're not dripping stuff all over people's yards. Okay, like I said, 300 foot of half-inch hose, full stainless steel swivel. Okay, stainless steel manifold. This is an 18-inch hose reel. This is not the small version that you're getting from other companies. This is a full-blown professional version. Okay, get your brass tips, stainless steel J-rod. Okay, 561-907-9541. Okay, these are for sale now. We got a couple of them, and if you're interested, there's a couple of them. Give us a call.